How to only get notifications from one person on iMessage. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to only get notifications from one person on iMessage. So first, open your settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on focus. Now, tap the plus sign at the top right to create a new focus mode. Select custom and name it after the person that you want notifications from. Next, under Allowed People, remove anyone else and add the person that you want to hear from. Tap Done when you're finished. To ensure you only get notifications from a person, tap Allow Calls From and select No One, then turn off Allow Repeated Calls. Scroll down and turn off notifications for other apps like Maps by selecting Allow None. Tap Done to save your changes. Now, you will only get notifications from one person. Just toggle the focus mode on whenever you need it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.